I'm sitting in a 2017 Toyota Highlander. We're going to be adding a remote key to this vehicle. Original key is in the ignition. New key is right here. Got a Toyota. Just the regular Highlander. Key coding. Let's see here. 2017. We're going to do the remote control part first. Ignition's on. I'm going to program a remote. Okay, we're going to hold down lock and unlock. Let go and press unlock. There's our chime. Remote's programmed. And now we're going to back out and we're going to program the key. Okay. Mobilizer 3. It's on. Okay. Take the ignition off. Turn it back on. Okay. Okay, take that key out and check our. Okay. Insert the key. New key. On. Okay, our security light is above the radio to the left, right above the volume knob. It takes about 30-40 seconds to clear the key, program the key. Okay, we are almost there. There it went. Light is out. Key programming is complete. Get the key out. Insert the key. Lights out. Vehicle starts. And we are done.